Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got my ponytail to look like. So I'm gonna go wet my hair and put conditioner in it, and then I'll be right. Put some conditioner in it. Now I'm gonna put some oil in it because it's dry. For that, I'm gonna take this Curl and Style Milk, this Shea Moisture. Yeah, this stuff is really good. Like. Now, after all of that is in, I'm just gonna take a comb and comb at all the products, and then we finna get funky. Okay, so the first time I did this, I only did it one time before, and everybody loved it when I did it. The first time I did it, I started like right here and just start slicking it and like piece by piece. But I don't know, I think this time I want to start with the back. I'm just section my hair. I'm just do the back first. This, y'all, I only got a little bit left because I love it so much. So I'm gonna just use these two. Okay, so now that I did the back, it's okay like if it's some pieces that's not in or if it's not neat, because I'm gonna undo it to add the rest of the hair. So now let's get to the fun part. Maybe get some hair for real. Start from right here. It all depends on what side you want your part to go to. I want mine to go this way, so I'm start over here. But if you want it to go this way, then you start this side. So now that I got like this part slick now, start like bringing the hair in my face. So I'm gonna take like this piece first. Hold on, I'm gonna take this. And this is where I have like the most heat damage, y'all. Look at that. Take some gel. Now I'm gonna start using my good gel now. So I'm just gonna take this piece and just slick it like this. So it looks funny now, but you know, at the end it's only cute. So then I like to take, well, I'm saying like I always do this. I only did this one other time before, so to be honest, I don't even know if this is gonna turn out right. I'm just hoping for the best, you know. Let's just hope this turn out right. And now I'm just gonna start bringing all the other hair forward. Outside the ponytail, I'm gonna unwrap the ponytail to add the rest of the hair. So now that I got this part slick, I'm gonna start parting this side. I'm about to start slicking this. put it in the bun, but I don't like that. It makes me look like a boy. So first I'm just gonna wet my puff. Take this good stuff, this Shea Moisture. Okay, so now I got it to my liking. You know, you're gonna tie it up. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your post notification. Hit that bell button so you know when I post. Ooh.